all to Sintok IT Solution Debate Event 2020. The topic being debated today is Inventory Management System versus HRM Payroll System for Pasaraya Share. Seated on our right, representing Inventory Management System from Group 6. Seated on our left, representing HRM Payroll System from Group 3. I am Ain and Afina as the moderator for today.
For the first round, the first speaker of each group will introduce the team and point out the reason of the proposed system. For the second round, the two speakers from each group will deliver the speech to express your opinion about the system, and the other group can give the arguments. And finally, the last speakers from each group will conclude your opinion. The third round will be question and answer session. Each group will ask a question to the other group, and the other group has to answer the question. Lastly, moderator will give a conclusion from those arguments by the two teams.
For the first round, let's start with Group 6. The time is yours.
Thanks for the time that was given to us to participate in this debate. Let me introduce my team. My name is Dayan Infanatasha binti Awaramlan as the first speakers. I will deliver our reason to propose inventory management systems and conclude our opinion. And my friends, Adiba, I, Maturani, and Farisha as second, third, fourth, and fifth speakers. They will deliver the arguments in the inventory management system. Firstly, we choose an inventory management system in this debate event because it is one of the main systems that are needed by organizations that are running a buying and selling business such as Pasaraya Share. This is to ensure that the inventory management is in the best state in order to achieve the objective and the target set by the owner itself. Inventory management is actually a systematic approach to sourcing, storing, and selling inventory for both raw materials and also finished goods. But in a business term, inventory management means that the stock is the right one, at the right level, in the right place, at the right time, and at the right cost as well as price. Okay, so I will continue with the several main features of the inventory system. Okay, the first one is the product listing. Okay, by having this feature will manage to streamline the inventory with the help of significant inventory details such as cost and availability. So the user will be enabled to create alternative for every items based on their attributes and can manage it systematically. Okay, the second one is the reorder point. It is where the inventory system will provide a list of products with their quantities that are needed for stock. It can be programmed into the management software and can alert the manager about the stock requirements or reordering point. Okay, the third one is the automatic reordering. Okay, by having this feature will be enabled to reorder the supplies based on the reorder point set by the user, where when the stock is about to reach its minimum level, automatic purchase orders are generated so that they can remain on top of inventory all the time. Okay, by having all of these features, this will help to ensure that the stock will always be available and the shelf is full of stock. So there will be no more problem with out of stock things during the business operations. Okay, the other feature is barcode scanning. Okay, by having this, the inventory manager can easily scan all of the products by the barcode, and the best part is that this type of exchange of electronic data can also be done through even a smartphones, which also eliminates the needs to buy an expensive hardware. So by having this feature, this will help to ensure that the information regarding all the product can easily transmitted and recorded into the system data. Okay, next, the asset tracking. Okay, this feature will help to keep tracking the products stored in the warehouse or store via the barcode RFI, which is the radio frequency identifications, the lot tracking number or the serial number. This will help a lot to track if there is any missing stocks. Okay, we can see that there are many positive impacts from this new inventory system that will be developed for Pasaraya Share. And after discussing this topic, we hope that we can increase the positive side and decrease the bad effect of the system to help Pasaraya Sheke running their business smoothly.
Thank you. That's the opinion from Group 6. And it's time for the first speaker from Group 3 to give your opinion. The time is yours.
Thank you for the time given. First of all, let me introduce my team. My name is Nura Nadia. As the first speaker, I will deliver the reason of us proposed human resource and payroll system in this debate event and conclude our argument. Here is my friend Shahir, Stephanie, Afina and Nurin as the second, third, fourth and fifth speakers. They will deliver the argument in human resource and payroll system. First and foremost, I want to highlight again, the system that have been chosen by our group is human resource and payroll system. Human resource is a department within a business that is responsible for all matters relating to workers, while payroll is a process calculating and distributing wages and tax. Now, it's time for me to explain further why we choose to propose this system to Mr. No. First, the reason is human resource and payroll hold a significant impact in the business entity. False recording or cheating is more likely to occur if this process was not be updated or upgraded into a more systematic and trustworthy system as the business becomes. Next, due to the drastic changing of technology, the business must have a human resource and payroll system that can help in the storage of big data and avoid errors occurring in this process. These are just only a few justifications of why we choose this system. For sure, there is a lot of benefit and others will be discussed by my friends to reinforce our argument about the chosen system. That's all from me.
This round for both teams, Group 6 and Group 3, to give your arguments. Let's start from the second speaker of Group 6 and followed by a representative from Group 3 to give your arguments. The time is yours.
Thank you, Dayang. Without further ado, let me explain the upside of our inventory management system. By using our inventory management system, it will reduce the amount of inventory that companies have to keep on hand while improving their order accuracy. By decreasing their whole inventory, Pasaraya Sheke can save massive amount of cost and effort. Another advantage is time efficient as our inventory management system uses specialized software and hardware. Last but not least, our inventory management system aims to increase customer satisfaction. Customers tend to shop at business with the assumption that it will have the item that it advertises in stock. Therefore, constantly running out of stock can lead to permanent customer losses and eventually unprofitable business. Therefore, our inventory management system keeps a record of customer demand and turns this information into smart and efficient ordering. Thank you.
Thank you for giving me a chance to talk. As we know, there's a lot of benefit when we use computer system in the payroll department. And I would like to explain to you one of the benefit, which is time imposition in this system. For your information, many employers use a timekeeping system such as time clock to track their employees' working hours. A manual system that Pasaraya Sheke use now requires tracking employees' time by hand, which cannot track their work efficiently. But the computerized payroll system has the ability to transmit employee from the timekeeping system into payroll system. This system can round employees' working hours into quarter-hour segment and accurately calculate the total hours worked and to be paid, thereby saving time spent on manual calculation. So the employees now does not have a chance to make fraud that they made before. That's all.
Thank you, Mr. Shahir, for your awesome explanation about your system. But I'm bet everyone is still eager to know more about our new inventory management system. Now, let me tell you the feasibility of this new inventory management system. The operational feasibility of this new inventory management system is the interface is user-friendly and easy to operate. The administrator can easily access the inventory data and also check on the performance of business reports, where the system will provide a transaction handles of the information that make comparisons of the inventory available in the store automatically. Economical feasibility. The staff don't have to worry about how to handle this new system or operate this new system. Why I say so? Because our system is easy to operate and thus will eliminate the cost of training for the staff. The staff will work with less stress as the system will provide a fast and efficient automated environment instead of slow and prone error of manual system. This will reduce both time and the manpower of running this new system. Not only that, customer satisfaction is also expected to increase as the system will help Pasaran Share Care in providing a good quality products and by having a good controlling inventory management in the store. In terms of the technical feasibility, this new system has provided a sufficient capacity needs as it compatible with the tools and program language and also the operating system that have been taken care to avoid the overload of the system and also requirement of unnecessary additional hardware in the future. Moreover, an organized schedule for the system development is presented in the schedule subsections. The reasonable timeline will reveal the system development can be completed on the desired time framework. It will ensure that the project can be completed before the projects or the technology become obsolete and unnecessary. It will show the process of the development of this system in a Gantt chart. This will be a key success for the development of this new inventory management system. If we execute within the time frameworks, the projects or the system can be completed on time. From all the feasibility that I mentioned before, I believe that Pasaran Share Care stock management can be enhanced through this new inventory management system. I definitely recommend this new inventory management system to Pasaran Share Care as it will bring a huge positive impact to overall sales and also the stock management when they implement it.
Thank you, Miss Ain, speaker from Group 6. And now, if anyone from Group 3 would like to add some more, the time is yours.
Thank you, Miss Nadia. Now let me explain how our system, which is HR and payroll system, will operate. For your information, our system has the combinations of two functions. The first function is about hiring new employees on the HR system, and the second function is about paying salaries to the employees, which is under payroll system. while hiring new employees, the information about their salary and the benefit that they will gain will also be provided. It will build motivation to the employees, and it will also will decrease the employees' problem as faced by the Pasaraya Sheke before. I agree with your explanation about inventory system, but don't you ever think that amongst other systems, HR and payroll system is the most important system, because the fail in hiring good employees will give bad result in your system.
Thank you for your explanation, Ms. Stephanie. Today, I, as the fourth speaker, will be speaking on the benefits of a new inventory system in Pasaraya Share, which is about the data visibility and planning in this system. When considering the benefits of having a new inventory system, it is important not to forget the value of business intelligence. Barcode scanning and other features mentioned by the first speaker allows easy data transfers, and in conjunction with a central data warehouse, Pasaraya Shaket can build up the data assets to analyze what is happening within the business. By using this information, Pasaraya Shaket can have a better understanding of what customer demands tell the company about its customers and how that can be applied to marketing operations. In today's high-tech business world, business intelligence is key. It allows Pasaraya Share to fine-tune marketing and outreach processes, which boosts conversions and drives profits. So while the new inventory system is very helpful on production side, it is also very helpful on marketing side as well.
Thank you for your explanation, Ms. Maturani. Now, let me point out the significance of our system. In your organization, human resource and payroll are the two important things because it play a vital role in protecting company's reputation and development. Since the employees are the real asset, ensuring the employees' welfare is important. In order to prevent the employees' working problem, it is important for Pasaraya Share to implement the system. By automating processes and systems using human resource and payroll software, Pasaraya Share can have an organized flow of the entire system. This will also simplify the process of human resource and payroll procedures whilst eliminating error. Moreover, this system will enhance the effectiveness.
Time is up. All arguments have been given, and now please provide your conclusions. For the speaker from Group 6, the time is yours.
Okay, to conclude, inventory management systems are very important in perseverable. It remains the fact that good inventory management and power leads to wide of business drive for continuity and the repeat clients. We will result harder clients to come back to purchase our product. It's also necessary to improve our service level enough to be able to match customer requests swiftly. Inventory management system can assist business in meeting such demand by permitting us to provide the right level of hands-on service immediately to our customer and require them with the desired lead time, highlighting the importance of inventory management. So we can make sure that the stock are always enough and available for customer. No more empty shelf and no more customer pocket. Next, we can utilize warehouse space better. It means the proper inventory management involves accounting for all production, purchase and sale of goods that meet customer demand. This benefit of inventory management affect management strategy that support organizational warehouse in team with this space management. If we, if we have an unorganized warehouse, we will always find it difficult to handle our inventory effectively. Several businesses like to enhance their warehouses by arranging higher selling products together in areas that are easily accessible within the warehouse. Performing this process helps in speeding up the order fulfillment and preserve customers' happiness. Last but not least, inventory control can enhance product quality. The use of inventory management system can assist improving business efficiency and product quality. This benefit of inventory management would help in eliminating waste and enhance focus on producing good quality products. It remains a fact that having a good inventory management system leads to better success and repetitive customer. If we desire hard-earning customer to keep coming, we have to enhance our product quality in the best way possible. So it can make sure that no expired food displayed at the shelf, and we make sure the food is always in good condition and good quality for customer.
Thank you for your conclusion, Ms. Farisha. What about the conclusion from Group 3? Let the speaker provide your conclusion. The time is yours.
Alright, thank you, Miss Nadia. So, through the point that our group had proposed, it is clear in today's world, the human resource system play a very significant role in the daily life. This system can improve employees' motivation in a business and pay attention to the company's policy and law respectively, which can increase the efficiency of the company and get high profits. On the other hand, the trade union helped the employee to achieve negotiation successfully in the early time. This means the employee can negotiate a better wages and a good working condition. However, at the present, the employment law gradually become the focus to the world because it has more restrictive and more favorable to protecting employees' benefit. In the future, the human resource management will continue to play its role in each business.
Well done. The next session is question and answer. Now let's start the first question from Group 3. The time is yours.
Alright, thank you, Mr. Shahid. So the things that we like to ask Group 6 is there any limitation if we use the inventory management system, and how you guys can overcome this problem? Thank you.
Okay, it's enough for Group 6 to respond to the questions. The time is yours.
Thank you for your question, Ms. Noreen. The main limitations of an inventory system are the cost required in setting up an inventory system and the complexity of using an inventory system effectively. The technology and the software required by an inventory system, such as tracking devices in delivery vehicles and barcode scanning, can be expensive to purchase, install and maintain. To overcome this problem, we recommend spending the equipment dollars wisely. For example, buying a computer with a lower price tag may cost us more in the long run than a higher quality and more expensive one that lasts longer. This will help us to save maintenance costs and reduce repair costs of equipments needed for an inventory system. Moreover, due to the technical nature of softwares and technology used in inventory system, it can be difficult to educate all member of staffs on how to use the inventory system in effective way. To overcome this problem, we recommend having at least one inventory manager who is well familiarized with our inventory system and can train new employees, oversee the warehouses and shipping operations.
Okay, the next turn is from Group 6 to ask some question to Group 3. The time is yours.
To the speakers from Group 3, I assume that there must be some limitations in using the proposed human resource and payroll system for Pasaraya Shaker. What are the limitations and how are you planning to overcome it?
Thank you for Group 3 to respond to the question.
Thank you for your question, Ms. Adiba. As we know, every system in this world has their own limitation. The first limitation in HR and payroll system is we cannot generate reports of appraisals and evaluation report because it was not included in our system. The second limitation is access to our system is limited. The information about HR and payroll system is loaded in one computer only. If the computer is broken, we cannot access it by using another new computer. To overcome this limitation, our group plans to upgrade our system by adding more new functions, such as the function where the system can generate reports of appraisals and the evaluation reports so that the company can easily see the performance of the employees. And our group also plans to increase the accessibility of our system so that when the computer to access HR and payroll system is broken, we still can access the system by using another new computer.
Well, question and answer session has been complete. From this debate, we know that to require a computer system in Pasaraya Share required a lot of cost, but they have many benefits if we implement it properly. On the other hand, it also can have some bad impact on Pasaraya Share if we're not aware about it.
Shahi and I, as moderator, apologize if there are any mistakes in our speech or behavior, either intentionally or unintentionally. Thank you for your attention and see you next time.